Yo, what's up, brother? You're coming through?
Yep.
All right, cool, man. I'll see you in a sec. Come on through.
Wait.
All right, brother. My guy. Can't even see him in there. Me. All right, cool, man. It's a little dirty on me, but I guess that's why we're here. What's up?
We're ready to get hatted up?
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Do it.
I'm gonna show you how to wash this beast with a wrap on it. You couldn't find any like videos about car washes?
Man, I found like one video on YouTube on how to properly wash a wrapped car, and it was on like an old A4.
Got it.
I need Herbie to do it.
I got you, man. I got you, bro. So let's do it. Well, thanks for rolling through. We're gonna show you guys how to wash a wrapped car. It's not as complicated as you think. Stay tuned. Now, this is what you call bird shit.
You nailed it.
Bird dung, okay? They just crap all over the place. So I'm gonna show you how to get those off as well. The cool thing about 3M's film is even if you kind of like scuff it a little bit in the sun, it'll self-heal. We're gonna wanna rinse this first. You don't wanna ever just wipe this off. Use a little soap and then dry it off just like a normal car wash. The thing is that I recommend is that people not take their car through the automatic car wash. Those spinning brushes over time, they'll peel up some of the wrap, they'll damage it, they'll wear through it, and it's pointless. So we wanna do a little hand wash thing. Watch me do this since you're the boss. Ami the jefe.
The artist.
The artist, yeah, exactly. I always tell my clients, you guys are the artists, we're just the paintbrush. We're gonna paint this art right now, man. So yeah, first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and spray the wheels. This is just an all-purpose spray. Just wanna get each side of each spoke. It's really gonna help if you have a pressure washer. You don't wanna let it sit too long. You just wanna spray it on the wheel and then rinse immediately. Don't go in and have a coffee or anything like that. You don't really want chemicals sitting on anything for too long. You gotta get the car wet, man. You gotta rinse it down.
Gotta make sure there's no dust.
You gotta make sure there's no dust. You wanna get the back of the wheel. And then we're gonna go in and hit the fender liner. See that? Nice and clean. Okay, then I'm gonna go ahead and just start rinsing. Now, you don't want to get much closer than this to the wrap. Go ahead and spray off all that dust. If you do have to go closer, you got to keep this moving. If you let it sit there, it'll rip right through the wrap. So when you come up to those bird stains, you can get pretty close and just move back and forth like so. You always start from the top, work your way down, so all the dirt falls down. Remember those bird stains that were there? They're not there anymore. That's about it.
Is that the beauty of a wrap?
That's the beauty of a wrap. And you're just basically knocking the dust off of the film. If you're doing it once a week, and you're in an area where it's not super muddy, you literally don't need to use soap. When it comes to paint, yes, you definitely want to use soap, You're gonna want to encapsulate the dust, which that's what the foam does. The foam pulls the dust off of the surface and then spray it. But the less you actually have to touch the surface, the better.
Right.
For the wrap, like I say, it self-heals. As long as there's no big globs and chunks of mud and things like that on the car. When you're drying it off, you're good. I sprayed it off really well. There's no dirt on my finger.
Question.
Yeah.
Should I be worried about watermark?
If you're washing it in the sun, yes. So like for instance, right now it's summertime. So you want to wash the car in the shade or, in the evening when the sun is lowest. So you can still see the car if you're washing it outside.
Because I don't want to use a towel on the wrap. Do I?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, exactly. Absolutely. After you rinse it, that's the only way you're gonna dry it. No squeegees or anything like that. Don't do that on me. When I go to dry the car, I'd never have my actual hand on the car. So I have any kind of like grease on my hands, I'm not getting it on the car, whether it be on the matte wrap, whether it be on paint. I always have a supporting towel. And one thing I noticed, if you guys wanna look closely, is when I dried the top of the film, we got these little scuffs right here. Now, with enough heat, those go away. You'll wanna just use a little heat.
Whoa. What are you doing?
It's okay, bro. I promise. I'm a professional. Next thing you know, the car straight up like catches on fire. You see how they're going away? Right here, watch this, watch this. See that?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, goes away.
Kind of see it like
so this is, all I'm doing is resembling the sun. See? Boom, crystal clear. Self-explanatory, brother. You just kind of dry off the car and you're good to go. Like I say, it looks clean. You can't tell, you know, it doesn't look like there's dust still chilling there. So the water did most of the work. That's, you know, those, now if you go through a car wash that is brushless, you might get the same results because you've got a bunch of pressure washers spraying it from all different directions. The thing is, I don't know how close to the wrap those get, and if they're gonna just be sitting there on the wrap, there's a very good chance that it could rip through. So I wouldn't take that chance.
I'll be going to the wash it yourself stations with the power washers.
Okay.
If it has a foamer.
Yep,
would you recommend using the wax
no.
option?
Nope.
Nope.
Do not use the wax. Just you know, basically water, some soap if you'd like, and fold up the towel. Make sure that none of the towel touches the ground. If the towel touches the ground, just retire the towel. It's done. Get a new one. I know this wash was complicated, but I think you'll get it. I think you got this from here, man.
I'll have to watch the video probably about 25 times, but I'll get it. This looks clean.
Now you know how to wash a wrapped car. It's not rocket science, you know, pretty simple.
Looks super clean. Thank you.
You got it.
Really appreciate it.
So where are we going?
Do you like beers, nachos, and girls?
Says everyone, yeah.
Saddle Ranch?
Yeah, I'm down, dude.
All right, let's do it. Let's hop in.
I'll follow you over there. Dude. What's up guys, how you doing? Thank you so much for watching our videos. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. If you're on YouTube, hit that notification bell so that you can know when new videos pop up from HADD Customs. And if you're on Instagram, make sure to swipe up. We got a little bit more information for you. And until next time, take care.